This year, the world saw its deadliest Ebola outbreak ever seen. The good news is UT researchers may have found a way to stop the infectious disease. KXAN's Amanda Brandeis has this story.
What started in this lab 7 years ago is changing the world.
This is what we would call our tissue culture lab or our virus production lab.
7 years ago, Maria Croyle was contacted by two first responders fighting Ebola.
They didn't really know what they were walking into a lot of times and had seen, from the front lines that there was a clear need for a vaccine.
So together, they created one, the first of its kind.
During outbreaks, there's a lot of fear. A lot of fear going on, a lot of communication issues. People don't understand languages and body languages and things like that. So, eliminating an additional fear, that being the fear of needles, would probably, help gain acceptance.
The vaccine is sprayed through the nose. In a trial, researchers gave it to primates.
Grew a lot of gray hairs and hoped that, all this work leading up to this would really show that the formulation worked. Then once they were exposed to Ebola, they all survived.
100% success rate.
The outbreak is still continually not over, and that's what keeps us going, is to know that we certainly can have a role in this, potentially have a role in it, and help people who really need it.
But in another 7 years, we could be that much closer to finally winning the war against this deadly disease. Amanda Brandeis, KXAN News.
Professor Croyle's vaccine could eventually make its way to clinical trials in humans.